How to turn on notifications on Spendee. Are you guys facing issues to turn on notification on Spendee application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee app on your mobile device. Once you open the Spendee app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on Spendee, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now look at the bottom of the screen where you can see this bell icon or activity. Tap on it. Once you click on it, you can see the option for connect your bank account and turn on notifications. Click on turn on notifications. Once you tap on it, you will be forwarded to this section. Now tap on notifications, toggle it. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to turn on notification and Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.